Hello everyone, today I am going to tell you how can you download 64-bit Windows 10 ISO from Microsoft's official website. You need to go to any browser, then you have to search Windows 10 ISO. Then you just have to slightly scroll down and then click on this website, which is of official Microsoft's website. Then again you need to scroll down slightly, and here you have to click on this select edition and then click on Windows 10 multi edition ISO, then hit on confirm, then slightly wait. Then you need to select here product language. You can choose it according to your convenience. I will select here English International and then again hit on confirm. After few seconds it will validate your request. Now we need to download 64-bit ISO, so we will click on this 64-bit download. After clicking here, download will be initiated.